Okay. Uyabona uthando lwami ngoMakhumalo ufuna ukulubuke kanje. Ungalibuki kukhona asinikeza kona ukuthi siphile ungabuka njalo. Kubuke ekuhlulekeni kwakhe ukusinikeza something yokugcina yokuvikela lo muzi. Lento esamlethela yona la because asemlethelanga lento le ayenzayo. Lento ayenzayo you by the way. Into esamlethela yona yinto engakwazi ukuyenza.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jackie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So the hair, okay, yeah, I know. Anyways, we finally get to hear Uma Khumalo's point of view on more like her reaction. Remember what Mr. Mseleku said the last season on the last episode when he said Uma Khumalo akayenzi lokhu ayikulande ukuzokwenza, she's not doing that, and people interpreted that as saying Uma Khumalo is not growing the family, like she's not giving birth to children. And given the history, what Uma Khumalo has been having challenges when it comes to conceiving a child, and there was like a lot of outrage from people on social media. And with that being said, Mr. Mseleke to come and make a video, a follow-up video saying that that is not what he meant. He meant as Sega, like to support him as a wife. And so he said Uma Khumalo is no longer supporting him as a wife. As for Uma Khumalo, we finally heard her side of the story, more like her part. So Uma Khumalo, she didn't react to anything whenever that was said during that interview, that small interview they had, Uma Diaries. Well, so Uma Khumalo was chatting with her friend on episode 3. She said after that interview, she went into her room and locked herself because she was also confused, as she also didn't know what she meant. Like it wasn't clear what he meant or Mr. Mselebo meant. So with that being said, Uma Khumalo then went on to say Mr. Mseleko didn't even come to apologize, but then on internet, like wamangazwa indawo yokuthi he went to the internet and made a video as if they were fine, like as if they were fine, they were not fighting. But Uma Khumalo is saying this is not what is happening. She also went on to say Mr. Mseleko never apologized or even asked how she felt after that interview. He just didn't do that. Instead, he went on and let us assume, deceived us through the video, made it seem like they are fine, Uma Khumalo. Now, with that being said, Uma Khumalo even told Ungan wake. So Usamke went to talk to Mr. Mseleko on Makhumalo's behalf and told him how Makhumalo felt about this whole thing. And even after that, Mr. Mseleko did not apologize to Uma Khumalo, but instead, what did he do? Yena was yela go internet, made a whole video insinuating that Yena and Uma Khumalo they are fine, but behind the scenes they are not fine. And as of that, Mr. Mseleko is blaming Uma Khumalo for neglecting Mzumbe, saying umuzi wakhe uyawa Mzumbe because Uma Khumalo is not staying there. While Uma Khumalo says yena akaboni ukuthi why do they have to blame her? As far as she's concerned, she's been staying at a house, so how is that even her fault? And also, Uma Khumalo went on to reveal that Mr. Mseleko has been isolating her. It is said that Mr. Mseleko told the other ladies, like all of his wives, ukuthi yena is going to be spending his time with the latest wife, okay? And he's not going to visit other ladies. But it turns out this condition only applied to her, Uma Khumalo. He kept on visiting the other ladies, as she clearly states ukuthi yena she went to visit uMangwabe, and guess who she finds there? Mr. Mseleko. Ambuza ukuthi kanti wena, what are you doing here? Didn't you say you are not going to be visiting the other wives? And then Mr. Mseleko was very disrespectful to her and kicked her out. Okay, so that is what happened. He was disrespectful to her and kicked her out. Then Uma Khumalo, that is when she's like, okay, I know the game you are playing. You are trying to isolate me so that I can be lonely and then come back to you. Now go to the people's reaction. So I've been reading a few comments online. People are saying, no, man, Mr. Mselebu is mad at Khumalo because she is no longer helping financially. For example, Kwela said she needed salary raise, and Mselebu was like, well, ma ufuna salary raise, you're gonna have to like pop out small babies, like have more babies. And yeah, that was the response. They were saying, well, Umselewu is also frustrated because of the fact that Umakumalo is no longer helping out like financially in the family, and now that is why he's also made it her, getting all these accusations thrown at her, making her the bad guy. While Khumalo saying that she doesn't mind all of this, like she's ready. And in the same time, going back, like what we had seen on the previous episode, where Mr. Mseleku sent his brothers to Koma Khumalo, and then they spoke to Umama Khumalo, who said that, well, koniwa ngomlomo kulungiswa ngomlomo. So like, of course, they acknowledged that Mkwanyana wonile, and they were also shocked as the family mabe bona i-interview lana ku-TV ukuthi kanti what is going on. So now they're saying that, well, now that it has happened, it's now water under the bridge. At the end of the day, they are supposed to move on. You don't leave your marriage just because, he has made a mistake, but they are bonisana and all, like, try and work things out. Well, well. Umis Damselev went on to say that, when somebody is like a breadwinner, your opinions don't matter. It was more like a dig at ifamily kaMakhumalo ukuthi now that they are relying on uMakhumalo, whatever they say, even though they say that Makhumalo should go back, Makhumalo as a breadwinner should choose not to listen. And yeah, people found that shady ukuthi Mr. Mselebuye to make that kind of a comment. Well, speaking of that comment, it seems like Umakhumalo is not going back anytime soon, or Mr. Mseleko. Yeah, that is what was happening, because she did clearly state Utena she's still gonna laugh, and she's laughing at them, like, for making her look like the bad guy. And also she said that she wanted nothing to do with the last wife, Umakwela, whatever, be it financially, like especially financially, she is not helping Umakwela out. I saw a few people stating that, and I couldn't like understand what they're talking about. Uti, fine. So do they mean Uti Umakumalo, like the family also relied on Umakumalo's finances? I don't know. But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. And yeah, I guess that was it for the recap. Kathando next time.